Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Dimensions. Today I have with me a skin lightening face wash from the brand Lelys. This is for skin brightening and lightening, and this is paraben free. Is an Indian brand, and this brand caters to skincare and hair care, and you can shop according to your skin type. Like as you can see, they have products for oily skin, dry skin, pigmentation, anti-aging, and they also have a wide range of hair care products which includes anti-hair fall shampoo, hair nourishing conditioner, etc. I'll put the link of this website in the description box. You can easily find out the products and choose accordingly. This comes in a travel friendly kind of packaging, and this has mini globules which will help in cleansing and exfoliating your skin. These are the mini globules which you can see, and they help in gently exfoliating and cleansing your skin. So let's just see a demo of this. The skin lightening face wash with deep cleansing and special actives helps to reduce blemishes and lightens skin tone. You would love to indulge yourself in creamy feel and foam of skin lightening face wash, while its special formula with mini globules cleanses and works on improving your complexion and skin tone. Regular use of this skin lightening face wash will help to achieve the skin complexion most people desire only. This has an amazing light and mild kind of a fragrance, and this feels very creamy. You can see how bright and fresh my face is looking after washing. So in case you're looking for a face wash to brighten and lighten your skin tone, then Lely's skin lightening face wash should be your first choice. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.